Alright, welcome to our first lesson, and today we're going to do something very important, and I want you to know that the takeaway of today's lesson is the most important skill that you need for everything we're going to do that follows is the ability to identify the root of an Arabic word. Now, you may already be able to do this, you've probably already gotten in the hang of it, but let's go over what we mean. Okay, these are all examples of different Arabic words. They're all very real, common words. And if I ask you what they all have in common, yes, they go from right to left. Very good. But what else? You could probably tell me that they all have the same root, and that root is kataba, as you see here. They all share the same three-letter root, kataba, those three letters, in that order. And this is very critical because if we will look at the same words in English, these are the English translations of those exact same words, and you look at them, they're all different. Now some of them do have similar roots, okay, write and written, but look at the rest of them. Okay. And so this makes it very hard. You also look at these words in English, they're all different lengths, they have different numbers of vowels and consonants. Now the great thing here is in Arabic, most real Arabic words are going to have a three-letter root. And for now we'll say it's a three-consonant root. You know, the Arabic term for this is judhr, plural judhur. I mean, if you're going to talk like a pro, you need to know how to use this. So the judhr of any word is that three-letter root. Okay, the root indicates the basic concept that all these words share. In the example we just gave you, they all have something to do with writing. Now, the very important thing that follows is that everything that we add onto those words, you notice that in each of those cases, the root had something added onto it. They follow very standard patterns in Arabic, and this is going to help you increase your vocabulary. Now it's said that for every root you learn, you automatically know 30 new words. Well, that is a bit of an exaggeration, but they've got the idea. Now we have the same concept in English, right? You know, we take these words, and if we add the ending er, we typically get the person who does the thing. Writer, singer, dancer. Well, it's a great concept, except as you know, it doesn't work for everything, right? Just like if we add the suffix ed, to something, usually that means the act of having had something done to it, but not in all cases. For the word write, which we're using here as an example, we don't say I righted, we say I wrote, but we say this was written. And so we see we do have the similar concept in English in other languages, but it is much, much less consistent. The great thing in Arabic is this is very consistent. So if we go back to that list of words that we gave you at the beginning, not only can you tell that they all have the same root, kataba, but all these things which are added to that root, be it a long vowel put in the middle, be it short vowels here, be it a meme, all of these things that have been done to this root, these all follow very strict patterns in Arabic, and they apply for every root equally. And this is how we are going to catch up with all the people who are studying Spanish and French with their English words with a strange accent.